do you guys know about this game? Yeah, it actually is, like, game. Like, okay, the point of this intro is, we're going to be playing a fish game today, made by Sketch. Trust me, no clickbait. Look at this. Look at this. Sketch! And, look at this. Owner. Sketch. It's by Sketch, okay? So, like, yeah. It's apparently based off of, like, a Netflix show called Squid Game. And it's apparently the only working one, I'm pretty sure. So, yeah, I've already played this a bunch and gotten some wins, and not gonna lie, it's pretty fun. But the challenge of today's video is that, my computer doesn't produce sound. And trust me, I've tried, like, the sound buttons, okay? Like, they don't do anything. I think I need, like, speakers for my computer or something, I don't know. If I'm dumb, just say I'm dumb in the comments. I'm just kidding, because I'm obviously not dumb, because I'm playing a fish game. Also, if you want to see more fish game on the channel, 2 likes! Yeah, 2 likes for more fish game. Yes, and I'm pretty sure I'll get 2 likes, so it's not even really a problem. Oh my gosh. I swear, whenever I don't play Roblox for like 2 days on my computer, like, it just, like just has to reinstall Roblox. I feel like, I don't know. Configuring Roblox. Oh my gosh, I hate this so much. Like, my computer, like, it can join games fast once it's, like, configured and installed. But if we take a break for, like, 4 hours even, like, it might just start doing this again. I mean, this computer is, like, 3 years old. Because it used to be my dad's computer. I'm either getting a new computer for my birthday, or finally, for the love of gosh, I'm getting a phone. I don't know, okay, like, I'm not getting my hopes up, but, like, I'm, like, the only person in my grade who doesn't have a phone, and, like, it's just really weird. Now, I've been stalling time for, like, 2 minutes. Yeah, 2 minutes and 29 seconds on my recording. And, yeah, Roblox still hasn't loaded. Did Roblox just abandon me? Did Roblox just straight up abandon me? Like, bro, that's not cool. Roblox. Thank you, finally! My gosh. Fish game! Let's go! Yeah, we're still going to be playing Bed Wars. Are you freaking kidding me? Okay, good. It's loading. And, yeah. Dude, load, please. What are my graphics at? What's this over here? I don't know. Yeah, it's a hat. What could this possibly be? Oh, I can't go into first person. Oh, shoot, that sucks. Baby flamingo. Oh, I feel bad, kind of. Oh, no. No, I'm actually, like, a real legit flamingo, if you know what I'm saying. Also buy the new Killer Shark merch, please. So yeah, basically what you gotta do to go into a match, you gotta go into this to, like, queue up the match, kind of like Bed Wars. But while we wait for the next game, let's go over to the rewards section, because, wait, what the heck? How do I have 0 wins? Dude, what's this game's problem? Did it break? Get 20 wins to unlock. Dude, I swear I have, like, 5 wins in this game. Is this broken? Seriously? Oh my gosh. I hate this so much. We could try rejoining. But, like, my gosh. That is so dumb. I'm pretty sure this is, like, the amount of wins you have, right? Like, I swear, I just won, like, 3 games just now. Oh, yeah, now we're getting into a game. Let's go! I don't know what any of that says, if that's, like, letter coding or anything. Dude, I need graphics. Oh, okay, good. My graphics are kicking in now. The challenge about playing this with, like, a computer is that, like, or, like, with no sound is that... Dude, my running is not working either! Oh, are you kidding me? I need to click shift to sprint? On mobile, you just have to run. Okay, now I just have to stop randomly because I don't know when he's going to like turn his head or whatever. Dude, are you an idiot? They're just running. Stop. Oh, I stopped at the correct time. He's like, I can't hear anything, okay? I'm not sure if you guys can hear stuff, but stop! Oh my gosh, why do I always stop at the perfect times? So by the way, you can just guaranteed win this, like no matter what. It's just like you have to be smart. Like if you want to get a quick win, like that's your problem. Stop. Ah, come on. Slides across the floor. Oh shoot. Stop. Green light, red light. Go. Stop. Go. Stop. Go. Stop. Go. No, stop. Alright, GG's, we won. Yeah, that's basically how you win. Oh my gosh, there's so many people. And I hate that, like, everyone in this game just loves to troll. Oh my gosh, I feel so bad for that guy. Yeah, and the bad thing is you have to wait until, like, the other people come. I wish there was, like, a back to lobby button, kind of like Bed Wars. Oh my gosh. Dude, I wish it would, like, auto-sprint on computer like it does with, like, mobile. Is that rainbow guy seriously trolling? Wait, did we win? Are there any more people? Wait, what? Oh my gosh, people are freaking trolling. I think the game is broken. I think we were all okay, good. Okay, finally my wins are showing up. See, why did I just tell you that? That was my 6th win. Oh gosh, we need to join the game quickly. Come on, please. Yes! Okay, let's go. Yeah. But you have to wait like 20 seconds to even start the game. I wish it was like more like 10 seconds. But this is a really well-made game. I'll be playing this a lot more on my channel. If we get 2 likes, not including me. So I won't like this video. Because, well, first of all, on my own channel, I usually like my videos. Also, can I just address quickly, because I've been wanting to like tell you guys this for like so long, that my Valkyrie video is not clickbait.
Hey, I'll be right back, okay? I'm gonna run out and get lettuce.
Okay, bye, Mom. Yeah, that's epic. Okay, stop. Yes, Mom getting lettuce. Please, turn your head. I just see a sliding body. Yeah, I walked it through. Oh gosh! Oh no! Okay, yeah, that was my fault. I just died there. Okay, yeah, we have to leave. This is a pretty fun game. Now while my computer takes an hour to load again, this is a really good time to talk about my merchandise. Now my Killer Shark merch, it's like really epic. Like if you buy this, Alright, my computer is very good at loading graphics, apparently. Yes, very good. Okay, finally. I like how the first thing that loads in is this guy's glasses. That's pretty cool. Oh, 21 pilots. Nice, you got the item. 5 seconds! I'm not in the game. Oh, actually, please get me in the game. I want to play some more fish game. It's actually pretty fun. At least to me. Might be a little boring to you guys, and I get that. It can get boring over time, and I have 0 wins, apparently. Totally. So, like, it's not too hard, but, like, it's still not easy. Like, especially on the device I'm playing on right now, the dumb PC that doesn't have, like, sound. Please, let me at him! Let me at this doll! Go! I don't know how she got like 1st place. Second you see her turn her head, you just go. Stop! Dude, how's that guy all the way over there? And I'm not going to look for people to run to do it because, like, some people run and then die, and I'm gonna run and die. It's like very lucky. Turn your head, please. Oh! Red light. Said green light, but I'm just looking at her head. Okay, her head's just broken. Red light! No! Are you kidding me? I suck at this. Okay, now my wins do its thing. That's kind of weird. Apparently there's like a baby sketch Easter egg. There's like a minute left in the game, so like you can go look for it. Dude, can I climb these ladders or no? Dude! Ugh. Hold on a second. Dude, of course I can climb it from the back. Climb it! Thank you. Where's Baby Sketch? I think I see it. Oh, that's Baby Bandy. Hold on. We need to find Baby Sketch. Dude! Okay, we need to also kind of keep track of time. We have like a minute until the game starts, so like... Climb the ladder! She's a very dumb animation. Where the freak is Baby Sketch? Is that Baby Sketch? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. No, that's just normal Sketch. Fan. Yeah, you can also buy lives. I could do that if I wanted to. I could like buy 3 lives right now, but I'm honestly like not sure if like they like I wish you could just use them whenever you like die or whatever. Oh, it's teleporting. Yeah, I'd rather not buy 3 lives at the moment. I mean, I technically just could, but like I want to make sure that like when you die with one, like I might buy like 1 in this video, and then like if I die with it, like we'll instantly respawn. Maybe if there's an option to use it, that would be amazing. Like if you say like when you die, like you can be like use life or not. Like if they should make like win streaks. No, bad computer, don't disconnect me. I swear, computer, if you disconnect me, I'm literally going to be so mad. Computer. Hello? Okay, so I'm just actually cutting this video short, just because, yeah, I just wasted 30 Robux, and this game kind of scams people. Kind of, so I wouldn't recommend to buy lives unless you're buying like 2 million of them. So yeah, so see you guys next time. Bye. That was the dumbest outro, but like, yeah, bye.